Alrighty, a little information on the John Deere D series baggers. They got a pin that you use to secure your bagging unit. And if for any reason you lost yours like I did, I'm kind of positive I left it on my bumper because I pulled my tractor up to my bumper and took the bagger off, and stupid me left the pin on the bumper. But at any rate, somebody else is probably going to do this. And when you pull up the PDF on the parts diagram, they don't show it. So it took a little bit of finagling, but I managed to figure out exactly what it is. GX20492. I think it's about 12 bucks, give or take a few, depending on where you find it. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, open it up here. Look familiar? Right now I think I got like a tent stake that's kind of rigged in there for a couple zip ties. But you know, I like to keep my stuff correct. I don't want it rigged unless if it has to be. But there you go. Let me show you where on the tractor this is, and I'm going to take my tent pins out and slide this in. And hopefully this helps somebody out that's in a bind similar to I was in. Alright, here's the spot we're talking about, right here, where that pin goes, okay? So let me get these tent stakes that I got rigged in there out. Cut the zip tie. Got the sun in my eyes, so hopefully this camera's focused good. Alrighty. Now I notice on this style, I still got to put a cotter pin in there. But other than that, I can't remember if my original one had a cotter pin or not. Yeah, it did. But other than that, that kind of gives you an idea. Okay, I ran to the shop. Fortunately, I had plenty of these in bolt stock, but I can't give you an exact size. If you're somebody who's not super mechanical, just take your replacement pin into the hardware store, maybe show them this right here on my video, and tell them you need that to fit that hole. But at any rate, it's as simple as that. It's just finding it that's kind of difficult, and getting the pin out with one hand. Now I can go ahead and pop the pin in, and it's a done deal. Thanks for watching, and hopefully it's helped you out. Any questions, throw them in the comment box.